Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of the Python course that we are doing. So previously we have learned about some data structures in Python, and in this video we are gonna start with the concepts of strings and their use for storing and manipulating text. So let's get started. So first we have our overview. So a string is a data structure in Python programming that represents a sequence of characters. It is an immutable data type, meaning that once you have created a string, you cannot change it. So Python programming does not have a character data type. Single character is simply a string with length 1. So now we'll see how to create a string in Python. So we have a few examples where we will demonstrate that how we can create a string in different ways in Python. So we will create a string using single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes also. So these are our examples where in this example, we have created a string using single quotes only. Here we have created a string with the help of double quotes. And in this example, we have created a string using triple quotes. We will also see how this will work in Google Colab. So now we'll see how to access characters in a Python string. In Python programming, individual characters of a string can be accessed by using the method of indexing. So indexing allows negative address references to access characters from the back of the string. We'll see an example of this in the next slide. So while accessing an index out of the range will cause an index error. Only integers are allowed to be passed as an index. Float or any other data type will cause a type error. So now we'll see an example of how to access characters in a Python string. So the 0th element will be the first character of the string, whereas the first element is the second character of the string. Like if we'll type in 0 at the place of the index, we will get the first character of the string. And if we write 1 at the place of the index, we will get the second character of the string. This is an important point about indexing. So if the index is -1, we will get the last character of the string. So here we have an example. So if our string is hello world, and if we print string 1 with 0 as an index, we'll get the first character of the string, which is h. And if we print string 1 with -1 as the index, we will get the last character of the string, which is d. Okay, so now we are in Google Colab, and here we have our first example where we are basically storing the string in a variable. And this is basically an example that we have already seen. So how we can create strings using single quotes and then double quotes and then triple quotes. So this is this is our input and this will be our output. Wait a second. Okay, so this is gonna be our output. Now we have our second example. So in this example, we are basically creating a string which is our hello world, and then we are going to print the string. So here we are accessing different characters in the string. First, we are printing the first character of the string where we have typed in the value 0 at the place of the index. And here we can see that we are getting a uppercase h as the output. Then we are printing the last character of the string. So when we type in the value -1 in the place of the index, we get the last character of the string, which is this lowercase d. And here we can see that the last character of the string that we are getting is lowercase d in the output also. So this was the video on strings, basically an introduction to strings. And in the next couple of videos, we are going to see how we can use strings, string library functions and all that. So thank you. Thank you very much.